Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a tutorial on how I get my hair super sleek and bone straight. So if you guys want to see how I silk press my hair, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so for starters, what I'm doing is taking large sections of my hair and spraying a generous amount of the Sebastian Shaper Plus hairspray. Then what I'm going to do is part off just random small sections, anywhere from a ½ inch to an inch, and start to use my flat iron. So what I like to do is tease the root, as you guys see me doing here, and basically what that does, it makes sure the root of my hair is super flat alongside the rest of my hair. And then I'm using a rat tail comb to chase my iron. So basically how I get my hair super straight is making sure that through each pass I start off by teasing the roots. That's very, very important. And then making sure I use the chase method. So the chase method pretty much keeps the hair straight as it's passing through the iron, so it makes your hair like super straight. You also want to make sure that you take the time to actually comb out each piece. This is going to ensure that your comb does not snag as you're trying to do the chase method. And if you have any tangles, just because you run the iron over, it won't actually obviously untangle your hair. You're just going to end up creasing your hair with that tangle. So you want to make sure you comb out each piece. And you also want to make sure that you are taking your time and pressing straight down, meaning do not start to open your iron, do not start to release pressure. Once your iron is on your hair and you're chasing, you want to just continue to run the iron all the way through the tips. You should never open your iron. That's also a very good tip into making sure that your ends are not fuzzy or more ragged than the rest of your hair. So just make sure you keep your iron completely closed. Now, as I'm getting up towards my frontal or your closure, whichever type of lace piece you're using, even if it's your natural hair, you want to make sure that you're taking even smaller sections. And that's just because you really want to make sure you get the proper amount of heat treatment to each piece of hair. So you want these to come out silky straight, especially because these are the ones that are going to be near your face and basically in the front of your hair. But as you guys can see, this method is like foolproof and my hair is super straight. You guys don't see any bends or anything like that. And this is the quickest, easiest way that I've learned to straighten my hair. Alright guys, so we're almost done. All of our hair is nice and straight. I'm just gonna stand up so you guys can see. Alright guys, so I have both sides of my hair straightened, and I just took those small sections of my closure until I got it nice and flat. But to seal the deal, what we're gonna do is make sure we press out the top of our closure so that it's super flat. So I'm just gonna spray a little bit of the Sheer Shine on my closure. And follow behind it with the Sebastian Shaper Plus. Once I do that, I'm gonna use my hot comb and basically press it out. And you wanna pull your hair taut as you're doing it so you can make sure you're getting it super flat. So as you guys can see, this side is much flatter than this side. Makes a really big difference. Alright guys, so this is the completed look. As you guys can see, my hair is super straight from root to tip. So I pretty much like to wear my hair straight on a daily basis. So I really did perfect the process of getting my hair super straight without making it super oily or stiff. So I hope this tutorial helped you guys out. I love you guys all so much. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you can get an alert every time I post a video. And of course, do not leave without hitting the subscribe button. I love you guys all so much, and I will see you guys in the next video.